Right now, the New Hampshire Department of Labor says it's in the process of terminating an administrative judge, but that man says he has no knowledge of his termination. News 9 Investigates was first to report last week that man had spent years in jail and was disbarred in Florida. WMUR's Ariel Metropolis is live in our newsroom with what else she's found out. Ariel.
Tom, Richard Brown, that man actually got out of jail last year and then was hired here in New Hampshire 4 months later. But he tells us that he gave hiring staff everything that they needed to know. Here's what we know so far about this situation. According to court paperwork from Florida, back in 2012, Brown pleaded guilty to a number of charges, including organized fraud, money laundering, grand theft, and filing false insurance claims. Brown was stripped of his license to practice law in Florida and sentenced to 15 years in prison. He was released in January of 2024. Brown sent us a statement tonight about an hour ago saying he was hired as a hearings officer in May and he was never asked about any subject related to his criminal history. He wrote, quote, "I have worked tirelessly to improve my life and fully utilize my education, training, and past career experience to move forward in a positive and productive direction. As such, it is my firm belief that I perform my job as a hearing officer in a competent, impartial, and professional manner." Now, last week, we also heard from the Department of Labor. They told us that they are taking steps to terminate Brown's employment, and they, quote, wrote, "They followed standard procedures during the hiring process of this individual, and the results failed to show his criminal record." Now, we've reached out to the Department of Labor with a number of additional questions. We're still waiting to hear back on those. We'll have much more on this story coming up tonight at 11. We're live in the newsroom. Ariel Metropolis, WMUR News 9.